Your question is, the national elections are in a week's time. Our national hero Jose Rizal wrote that the youth is the hope of the fatherland. How can our young people play an important role in our elections?
In our generation, youth has a strong personality. They have the power to choose and vote for the right leaders. That's why tonight, I would like to encourage our youth to be wise in selecting our leaders, because when we are very wise about this, we can reach the tip of the universe, and the Philippines would definitely be progressive and productive as well. Thank you and good evening, Philippines.
Sultan Kudarat.
Thank you so much, Sultan Kudarat.
Sa 10 points ng tanong, na-meet niya yung mga 5 points sa sagot niya. Pag nanonood kasi ako ng question and answer, lalo na pag mga top 5 na, kahit gaano ka kagaling magsalita or gaano kaganda din yung sinabi mo, kung medyo lumayo ka sa sagot, wala din yun. Dito, hindi siya ganong impactful yung sagot, and hindi niya rin ganong na-meet yung tanong. Medyo malayo para sa akin. Kaya ganun din yung reactions ng dalawang judge.
You are next. Sinaloan Laguna.